Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do that, first we need to press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then we need to go to Wallpaper and Style in the bottom left corner. Then choose to change wallpapers, and now over here we should have the gallery option or category where we can select one of the folders that we have on our device, or we can go with recent. So let's go to recent. And here you should be able to find your recent photos that you can use as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Let's select it and then let's press done in the top right corner. Now we can choose if you want to apply it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I want to apply it to both, so let's just press next. Now we can see the preview and then we can press done in the top right corner. And after that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!